video is sponsored by OnlyDinosaurs.com. If you would like to get a realistic dragon puppet like mine, make sure to visit their website. It's linked in the description box. Hey everyone, it is the Magic Crafter and her mighty, mighty dragon. Yes, that is right. You are beautiful. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put on my dragon puppet from OnlyDinosaurs.com, and I'll also show you how I install the voice box so you can get all sorts of cool roaring noises. I will show you the different roaring sounds my dragon can make. As a reminder, if you'd like to get a dragon puppet like this one here, you can use the discount code PHANTOM to save on your order at OnlyDinosaurs.com. Their website will be linked in the description box. Let's set up the dragon's sound features. For this dragon, you need two different types of batteries. I've linked where you can get them in the description box. You also need your remote control and your puppet's voice box's power box. Put the tiny battery inside of your remote control. I've never seen this type of battery before. It's so cute and so tiny. While it is linked in the description box, I will put its name here on the screen in case you're curious about what it's called. Set the remote control aside and grab your dragon's voice box. This voice box's power box can be difficult to get open, but it makes a very satisfying noise when it does finally pop open. This little guy hungers for 6 AA batteries, so make sure you have some of those on hand. Put all the batteries into the power supply box, matching up the plus and minus symbols of the power box and the batteries. I don't know why, but I always find the sound of batteries clicking into place so satisfying. Once the batteries are in, close up the power supply box. We are going to use that to power the voice box of the dragon. Go ahead and grab your voice box, and then plug the power supply box into the voice box. It's really pretty easy. Your dragon is almost ready to roar, but first we need to do one more thing. So grab your things and bring them over to your dragon puppet. It's time for some dragon surgery. Each puppet may have a different hiding spot for the speaker. My dragon's speaker is inside of the base of its tail. We're going to gently move the flap that hides all the wires and then carefully pull out the wire with the green head that matches the green color on the voice box's input. Connect those two pieces, change the knob on the voice box to automatic roar or manual roar, and then flip on the power supply pack. After you've done all of that, you can carefully shove everything back into your dragon's hidden compartment. You're now ready to put your dragon on, so put on your dragon handling glove and get ready to look really cool. To get into my dragon costume, I like to sit down and then lean into the costume. The arm that operates the puppet goes in first, and the gloved arm goes under the dragon's hind leg. Now stand up carefully, and if you have long hair, you may need help getting your hair free from the dragon's grasp. You are now officially a dragon tamer. Congratulations. On the voice box, a little red thing, there is a little twisty knob you can use to control whether or not the dragon automatically roars when it opens its mouth. I have turned that off now, and we are able to use the remote control to do any of the sounds that we want. So here's the first one. Here's B. Here's C. And then here is D. Those are the different sounds that my dragon has. A lot of the dragons from OnlyDinosaurs.com do come with wings, so some of those can move their wings, which is pretty impressive. And some of the dragons can spit water out of their mouth, which is really cool. I did not opt for that feature because I wasn't sure if I'd be able to handle it, and I get wet enough as it is as a professional mermaid, so mine doesn't have that, but of course you can get that feature if you would like. And of course dragons are customizable and you can get different colors, you can customize their eyeballs. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let me show you real quick how to take this off. We're gonna kneel. At least this is how I do it. Make sure the surface you're kneeling onto is not abrasive. Sit my butt, lean back, and gently remove our